Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating modern minimalist house na may malawak na space. Abot kaya for as low as 16,000 monthly at accessible pa sa Metro Manila. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Talaga namang napakasulit nito buddy dahil ito ay may 71 square meters na floor area, expanded unit kaya naman nakalas ka na pagdating sa home expansion at covered na rin ang iyong carport. At alam mo ba buddy na may service area pa tayo na magagamit mo as extension ng iyong kitchen. Semi-finished turnover dahil included na ang ating tile sa ground floor at ang advantage nito ay mako-customize mo pa ang interior design ng iyong unit based sa iyong preference. May provision for 3 spacious bedroom, may enough space para sa iyong minimalist living, dining at kitchen area, mataas na floor to ceiling height at may 2 toilet and bath pa. Kaya naman talagang napakasulit at isa nga si Shera model sa pinakamabenta nating house and lot property dito sa Cavite. Few minutes drive going to Dasmariñas and Tagaytay at accessible rin to Metro Manila dahil one bus ride nga lang ito going to PITX. Located sa Villas 3, Golden Horizon, Trece Martires, Cavite at halos boundary nga lang ito ng General Trias. TCP is 3.2 million only. Estimated monthly amortization is 16,000. No spot down payment nga ito buddy dahil ang down payment nito ay payable for 36 months for only 17,000 monthly. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!